Struggling to analyze campaign performance across the entire user lifecycle? Connecting upper funnel engagements to lower funnel KPIs can be challenging, making optimization difficult. Our pre-built template is designed exactly for that, so marketing teams make decisions fast, all in one place. Scroll down to view the table and start by upper funnel metrics like impressions, clicks, and CTR to assess ad engagement. Then, analyze mid-funnel metrics like installs, cost, and eCPI to measure ad effectiveness. Dive into lower funnel KPIs like retention day 1, ARPU day 3, and ROAS day 7, connecting ad engagement to real business impact. For deeper insights, add in-app event conversions like registration day 3 and purchase day 30, and see all metrics in one place. Need more customization to align with your campaign goals? Using My Dashboards, you can define custom metrics to measure ad revenue, like the revenue per impression to analyze trends across placements, networks, and geographies. Go further with visualizations. This combo chart helps track trends over time and uncover patterns. With this template, easily identify top-performing channels, optimize for impact, and track the results of your decisions. My Dashboards, every insight, just a click away.